Have you ever faced the weak Wi-Fi signal on your iPhone 6s Plus? The nearest Wi-Fi network shows only 1 or 2 bars. In comparison to other iPhone, here you can see another have more Wi-Fi network list in the same place. Means some issues on iPhone 6s Plus. These are hardware related issues. This issue is not from the software side. Power of iPhone. This issue is not from the software side. These are hardware related issues. So let's disassemble the iPhone first. I saw that on over 90% of such cases on iPhones, there is a problem with the Wi-Fi antenna. This is a Wi-Fi antenna and properly connected to, in my case. In most cases, after being dropped, the antenna is open from the connector and broken too, or lose contact. In many cases, the antenna wire is used, so I am here to replace the Wi-Fi antenna. Removing the faulty Wi-Fi antenna. Removing the faulty Wi-Fi antenna and replace with a new one. If you got such a problem, then once try this. After doing this, if your problem was not fixed, see my videos below in the description. Let's connect the LCD and check. Now you can see the list of the Wi-Fi network. Previous with one Wi-Fi network with 1-2 bars, now too many Wi-Fi shows on the list means the problem was fixed. If you fix your stuff with the help of this video, then drop your feedback. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from Thegsmsolution and peace out till the next time.